Here we have a 2012 Tahoe Q8 SSi located at SkipperBud's in Madison. This boat is being sold for $22,500. Does include this Tandem Axle trailer here with the spare tire. Breakaway tongue in the front here if you do need to store it in a smaller garage. And you do have your flip-up jack with the caster wheel. This trailer does also have brakes. As you can see, it's mostly white with a crimson or a burgundy exterior. This does have a 260 horsepower 5.0 Mercruiser motor. Very spacious swim platform on the back here. A couple storage compartments on either side here. You do have your telescoping transom ladder. This boat does come with a bimini. That's it for the exterior. We're gonna jump inside and take a look at the interior. All right, we are now inside the 2012 Tahoe Q8i Super Sport. You can see nice spacious seating layout. Plenty of room up in the bow here. You have several cup holders as well as some stainless steel grab handles. Speakers up in the bow as well. You do have a walk-through windshield. Storage compartments on both sides here. Those are very spacious. You notice the snap-in carpeting as well. Very easy to remove and clean. Dual captain's chairs. The driver's seat does have a flip-up bolster. There's your steering wheel and your gauges. You have a nice Garmin display here as well. And right down in the middle here, you do have a very spacious storage locker. Here's your stereo. It does have a little cover for when it's not in use. Another little storage compartment here, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Lots of storage in the gunnel. This is a self-bailing cockpit, so any excess water is just going to drain right out these ports here. You do have a large lounge seating area in the rear, as well as a sun pad up top. You can see your bimini. And this seat here actually does slide out of the way. Gives you access to another storage compartment underneath. And a nice step as you're exiting or entering the boat. You also have a large storage compartment under here as well. And that is it for the 2012 Tahoe Q8i Super Sport, located at SkipperBud's in Madison.